and test our planes, you guys need to check out our website. It has lots of cool features and lots of things you could do. So here's our home page, and the next page is our video page, where you can also check out our videos that we have made in the past. And this page is called a post, where you can just post your photos of paper airplanes you made. And also we have our contacts page, where you can get in touch with us and you can tell us any suggestions you have. And you could also give us any suggestions also in the chat box right here. And thank you. Make sure you check it out and log in to
honey.